We are now going to take a look at browser extensions, what they are, and a few that I recommend you install within your browsers. So I'm right now on the CMARS Create website in the Resources area, and I'm going to click on Browsers. Now what I have on this page is a listing of quite a few features that can be installed as add-ons to your browsers. So this entire listing on the left here is for Firefox, and the one on the right is for Google Chrome. And each one of these is an additional add-on you can install that adds cool features to your browser above and beyond what the browser would normally do. I'll show you one that I already have installed, and then we're going to install a couple more. I tend to prefer to work in Firefox as my default browser. However, that does not mean that you need to. I just want to show you some extra features you can install within Firefox itself. And one of them is this bottom left corner down here is called Colorzilla, and it's this one right here. I've already installed it. If I click on it, what it does is give me a crosshair and allow me to put that crosshair on any color. And if you look down along the status bar here as I do that, you will see that it will show you the exact color where my cursor is located. Once I get to that area and get over the color I want, I can click on it and it copies it to the clipboard. So if I wanted to match something, let's say this pink bubble here on my website, I can put it into the browser, click on Colorzilla, and it shows me that particular color. Now I could go right back into Dreamweaver and paste it because it's already copied to my clipboard. A very handy feature. And to get out of it, I just click it again. So you click to turn it on. As you can see, it's on right now. And you click to turn it off. That is Colorzilla. What I'm going to do is install this one here called the Web Developer Toolbar. It's also available for the Chrome browser, Google Chrome. Now you do need to be in the browser when you go to install the extension. So I need to make sure that I'm in Firefox when I go to install the Firefox extensions. I'm going to click on the Web Developer Toolbar. It will take me out to that specific page where I click Add to Firefox. Now I simply click Install Now, and it's installed. Now normally after you install these, you'd click Restart, and you'd have that particular add-on available. I'm going to install one more before I restart Firefox. So I'll go back to the browser resources. The other one I'm going to add that I'll be using in this course is Firebug, a very handy extension for working with JavaScript and CSS. So I'm going to click Add to Firefox, click Install Now, and once that's done, I have installed Firebug and Web Developer. So I'll go ahead and restart Firefox. When Firefox reopens, it will have these features installed. And this is just showing me all the different extensions I have set up, so I can close those up. And what you see right across the top here is the Web Developer Toolbar. So it gives you all kinds of additional information about your web pages. You can even view the CSS, you can disable things, quite a few different features available within that toolbar. The Firebug toolbar puts a little bug in the bottom right corner of your browser. If you click that, it opens up the Firebug console down here. And I'll take a look at that later. I just want to get that installed within my browser now. So I can close up those two tabs, and I'm all set. Now I like to have a little icon here that's a little easier for me to access those particular extensions. So in order to do that, I'm going to right-click just on the right side of Help, go down to Customize. You can see that toolbar is installed. And if I scroll to the bottom here, each item you install gets a little icon. So I'm going to click on that little wheel and drag it up right up at the top here, just to make it easier for me to access those extensions. So now I can click on this one to open and close that web developer toolbar as needed. I can click on the bug to open and close Firebug. A couple of very valuable Firefox extensions. So feel free to take a look at the different extensions that are available for these two browsers. But that is how you install the Firefox extensions, specifically Firebug and the Web Developer Toolbar.